Being mindful is a hot topic these days. Let's take a quick look at the opposite of mindful eating, which is mindless eating. Have you ever eaten a quick breakfast in the car?
Come on, kids, we're late!
Eaten lunch while working at your desk? Dinner in front of the TV? Snacks right out of a large container while mindlessly scrolling through your phone? If you answered yes to any of those questions, you are not alone. Check out our latest blog post to learn more about how mindful eating can help you make those behaviors just occasional occurrences and not everyday habits.